Sige, sige. Summer raffle promo at Royal Duty Free. Sige po. For every 500 purchase, entitles you to a raffle entry. Ayan. Sabi ni Kuya Joven, Mark Joven Reyes. Dalawang stores ha. Store 1 and 2. Applicable to pareho yung summer raffle promo. Visit Royal Duty Free now. Yung pinamili nyong worth 500, dalhin nyo yung resibo dun sa sa customer service counter. Ayan. Okay, and speaking of April 2, time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. What's going on for April 2? April 2, one of the, biggest, hindi naman celebration. Ano ba to? Awareness. Ayan. Alam nyo ba? April 2 is World Autism Awareness Day. Ayan. Okay, so, it's an internationally recognized day annually every 2nd of April. All right? Encouraging member states of the United Nations to take measures to raise awareness about autistic individuals throughout the world. Yun, sabi uli ni ng mga kaibigan natin sa Royal, DJ Tommy G, pakitagalog. Sige, tatagalogin natin to the best of our ability. Ang April 2, yun, Pastol, ikaw naman. Sineselebrate tuwing April 2. It's an internationally recognized celebration or observance recognized by the United Nations para sa mga may autism. Okay? Bata man o matanda. Well, alam nyo, ang hirap pag may anak kang may autism. I got a couple of friends na may mga anak na autism. The trouble that they go through. Pero saludo ako sa kanila kasi most of them makikita mo talagang hero ang dating sa kanila ang dating sa akin pag nakikita ko sila yung patience that they have para alagaan yung mga anak nila na may autism, yung hindi lang patience ano pa ba naubusan ako ng word to describe them. Yung patience, yung research that they do, how to cope up with it, di ba? Ang galing-galing kagaya ni yung kaibigan natin na si Ate Irene Lacuna. Dati siyang si DJ Irene ng isang radio station that we used to work for. Ayan, ang dami niyang nalalaman tungkol doon. I learned a lot from her actually. Para siyang teacher when we talk about coping up, dealing with autism. Yun, tinuruan niya ako if in case na sa mga gustong matuto, if you wanna learn, reach out for Ate Irene. Lagot ako kay Ate Irene. Look for her on Facebook, IRYN. Well, advocate naman siya ng autism awareness. Yan. April 2. Aside from that, April 2 is International Children's Book Day. Alright? Alam niyo ba na lahat ng libro, pag hinawakan ng bata yan, lahat yan, children's book na yan. Pero it's their own language, di ba? May makikita kayong bata, hawak-hawak yung libro, di ba? Binabasa niya, tapos sabi niya, the children's book. There you go. April 2 for you. And some more observances for April 2, International Children's Book Day. Aside from that, Employee Benefits Day. Uy, yung mga plantilla dyan, yung mga regular na, alam niyo ba yung mga benefits niyo? Baka hindi, Maraming benefits, syempre. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno. Ako yung mga kaibigan ko sa SBMA. I also work for SBMA. Pero hindi pa ako sakop ng International Employee Benefits Day dahil hindi pa ako regular. Kaya naman. Kaya wala pa akong benefits, no? Contract of service pa lang ang yours truly. Yeah, okay? What else? Love your produce. Manager Day. Sino mga applicable dito? Produce yung produce section sa mga supermarket. Yan, diyan yung matatagpuan yung fresh section, yung gulay, vegetables. In English ko lang yung gulay Fruits pala ang ibig ko sabihin, prutas at gulay. Yan ang mga produce, di ba? Okay? So, yung mga managers ng produce, it's their day. Give them a big hug. Yan, babalik tayo sa Royal. Si Kuya Joven Reyes, hindi siya produce manager. Sa marketing siya, pero meron silang produce manager dyan. So, give him or her a big hug. Dahil araw nila ngayon, April 2. Okay? Kung medyo late na, kahit bukas na, no? Ginabi na Ngayon nyo lang nalaman sa akin Kaya lagi kayo makikinig, marami kayo matututunan dito Pag nasalubong nyo ako, mukha lang ako susunga-sunga, pero marami naman ako nalalaman kasi may Google dito Okay? And also, April 2 is Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. Uy, matsalapya. Sino mahilig sa peanut butter and jelly? Mga kids, the kids love it. And do you guys know, it's good for them, di ba? Sanayin niyo silang kumain ng peanut butter and jelly. Pero be sure to choose, di ba? Yung natural and organic na peanut butter. Pati na rin sa jelly. May jelly kasi na puro sugar lang. Meron naman talagang yung may mga fruity jelly na totoo yung ingredients, no? Okay? And today is also Walking Day. Ang April 2, alam niyo ba 'yun? Kung medyo malapit-lapit lang naman yung lalakarin niyo. Halimbawa, sa mga kasama ko dito, naka-onboard dito sa 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Pag-uwian na, walang masakyan. Walking Day naman ngayon, maglakad tayo hanggang dun sa Pero kung nagdadala ako ng bike, yun yung hack ko para iwas lakad ng malayo. Walking Day. Ayan. And for those who don't know, walking is the slower form of running. Tama. Okay, ano pa ba? Today is also Pharmacist Day. Okay, so kung may mga kaibigan or kamag-anak kayong pharmacist, give them a big hug. It's their day today, Pharmacist Day, alright? So there you have it, just some of today's holidays and observances and April 2 for you, okay? And for those who are celebrating their birthdays naman, yung mga April 2 birthday celebrants, ayan, find out who you're sharing your birthdays with. The celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays April 2. Find out. This one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Yung narinig yung kumakanta sa background, ano yan? Kaibigan ko yan, si Mr. Singh. Yan, di ba? Nakakatuwa lang kay Mr. Singh, yung sing niya, hindi last name. Di ba usually yung mga kaibigan nating, kapatid nating Indians, Indiano ha, by Indian, I mean yung Indiano, yung Colombo, 5'6", yung gano'n. Hindi yung Indiano, hindi yun. Kadalasan, di ba, yung Singh, Mr. Singh, apelido. Pero tong kaibigan ko, yung Singh sa kanya, first name niya. Oo. Hindi siya, out of the, parang hindi siya the ordinary Indian na Singh ang apelido. First name niya yung Singh. Ang apelido niya ay Geltut. Bahala ka dyan. Famous people celebrating the birthdays today. One of today's birthday celebrants para sa ating mga Pinoy, Noy P. Si Ka Francisco Balagtas was born April 2, 1788. Wow. In case you don't know, tagal na. So yan, Philippine history. Alright? 101 for you. Francisco Balagtas, April 2, 1788. Singer and actress Geneva Cruz, April 2, 1976. Who else? Anthony Alonso, action star to, former action star and naging councilor din sa Manila to, no? April 2, 1948. And in Hollywood, si country singer Zach Bryan turns 29 today. TV actor Pedro Pascal, kilala niyo si Pedro Pascal? Kung hindi, Google niyo na lang kung hindi niyo kilala. He turns 50 today. Alright. Rapper Quavo turns 34 today. Soul singer Marvin Gaye was born April 2, 1939, but he passed away a long time ago, 1984. You guys remember the song What's Going On? Yeah, that's him, Marvin Gaye. No, not What's Going On. Let's Get It On. Yung pala. Magkatunog no? What's Going On? Let's Get It On. Okay, and moving on. The next famous person celebrating his birthday today is Michael Fassbender. Yan, Hollywood actor. Michael Fassbender turns 48 today. And Bethany Joy Lenz turns 44 today. For those who are not familiar kung sino si Bethany Joy Lenz, if you guys remember One Tree Hill, the hit drama series with the magkapatid na si Chad, Michael Murray, and I forgot the name of the brother. Yeah, One Tree Hill. Yan, if you remember, naging hit TV series yun, no? And it ran for a long time. Ilang series ba yun? I mean seasons. Mabot yata na mahigit 10 seasons yun, no? And the NBA's Pascal Siakam of where does he play for now? Sa New York na yata siya, no? New York Knicks. He turns 31 today, Pascal Siakam. Okay, so there you have it, celebrities and the likes. Celebrating the birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you April 2 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Text nyo na ako yung mga nagbe-birthday. Text me up and pwede nyo ring i-comment on the live video. We are live on the Radyo Bandera official Facebook page and syempre nakashare din sa Facebook page ko. And I also share it with other groups na kilala at kaibigan natin, mga kasamahan natin, ano? To, for wider coverage. 107.1 FM, Radyo Bandera. Alright, this is the Night Jam radio show with DJ Tommy G. For the meantime, giving you a requested song. Music coming from Mr. Michael Pangilinan. Alright, this is his song, Kung Sakali, here on 107.1 FM, Radyo Bandera, the Night Jam.